Hey guys, it's Nathan here, and today we have a short presentation for you guys how to make crazy money part-time with digital marketing. So if you are new here, my name is Nathan, and a little bit about me. I've been in the transportation industry for about 17 years, and when I first saw this, I wanted to make some extra money online, and I did not know that this had the potential of making a ton of money online. So when I first saw this and I got started right away, and I went through the whole learning process, and I learned what I needed to learn and start making some money online. So I'm here today, guys, to share with you how to make some crazy money part-time with digital marketing. So without further ado, we go into jump right into the presentation and share what I have to share with you guys today, and you guys going to love it. So let me go ahead and share my screen so I can go through the presentation right now. Yes, guys, today we're going to talk about how to make crazy money part-time with digital marketing. Guys, digital marketing, there's a lot of money to be making with digital marketing. The whole world is going digital. So why not you going digital? There's a lot of money to be making part-time. You can still keep your job doing what you're doing and do this on the side. And because right now, your job is not guaranteed. You're here today and you'll be gone tomorrow. So why not start something on the side, have a backup plan just in case? Because I've seen a lot of people who has a job for a long time, been working for so many years, and one day they got laid off or they got fired, and now so they have to go into the looking to find something new. And so if you had a backup plan, imagine if they had a backup plan and have a business that is on automation that's already working for them, even when they are working the actual job and they're doing it part-time with the potential of doing it full-time and making a ton of money part-time. So one day you can eventually leave your full-time job and do your business full-time. And guys, while we're on this point, I'm going to invite you at a webinar tomorrow at noon Central Standard Time. We have a free webinar tomorrow. So I'm going to invite you at the webinar. So if you want to be part of the webinar, if you want to follow the webinar live tomorrow, send me a message under this video and I will share the link with you. And so you can get access to the webinar and you can learn how to make some money for the holiday. Launch and scale a simple step. 4 simple steps to build a 6-figure business in just 2 hours a day. No following needed. So free webinar, guys, tomorrow at noon Central Standard Time. And if you want the link for the webinar, leave a message under this video, say webinar, and I will send you the link so you can follow the webinar. So let's get to the presentation. Hey guys, this is what is going on in our community. This is what is happening when I say you can make a ton of money in digital marketing. This is what is happening in our community. People waking up to making tons of money. That's why I titled this video, How to Make Crazy Money with Digital Marketing. So how to make 900 daily with a 5-step blueprint. How to make 900 daily with this 5-step blueprint. Step 1, you have to promote a product that is in high demand and that will make you 100% profit directly into your bank account. And step 2, you have to automate your business. Meaning when you are at work, or doing whatever you out and about with your family, enjoying your free time, your business is working for you. And step 3, get your business discovered. How do you get your business discovered? We're going to touch all of that stuff. And first, you have to create content. You have to expose your business. You have to expose yourself to get your business discovered. And we use social media to do all of that stuff. 3 pieces of content daily, copy and pasting free ads to drive traffic to your automation so you don't have to go find customers. And step 4, stand out by relating with your content, which send people back to your automation. In step 5, congrats, a new customer. You just made $900. So that's the 5 steps to make $900 daily. With these 5 steps, guys, you follow these 5 steps and you can eventually make some money, some crazy money, $900 daily online with digital marketing. And some more wins. 900, drive to school. While driving to school, the kids to school, make $900. And we have some more wins. Made money while I was sleeping, 1,200. And more wins, 900 while working today. So that's what I was saying. You can have your job and do this on the side and make some money. And guys, as a truck driver, I've seen so many videos where companies send a text message out and let a whole lot of people go. And now you're gonna have to go home to your family, and everything is so expensive right now. Imagine you don't have a backup plan and your job just cut you off and let you go, and you're going home with your family and you have to start at zero. So that's why you really have to have a backup plan, and you can end up making some crazy money online with digital marketing. So guys, here is our community with over 43,000 people. And guys, when you start your business, you can be in business. You can be in business for yourself, but you will never be by yourself, because we have a community of 43,000 people, over 43,000 people, like-minded people. And if you need help with anything, you can always go to the community, and there's always gonna be somebody there to help you. So why digital marketing? Why promote the digital marketing programs? Because they are proven programs and they make 100% profit. And they make you daily pay directly into your bank account. The entire world is your potential customer base. The whole entire world is your potential customer base. Sell something so you have a proven program that makes you 100% profit, and that send daily pay directly into your bank account, and you have the whole entire world, as your potential customer, and you selling something that helps other people. And guys, the digital goods economy is already a gigantic $950 billion market. So guys, I know we want to get a little piece of that cake, just like I showed you guys. And we have people in our community that is already getting a little piece of that cake, making hundreds of dollars every day, waking up to 900, waking up to 600, and waking up to 300 to $100 a day. So why the e-learning industry? Because the e-learning industry did 950 million in 2019, and now in 2023 the e-learning industry averaged $1 billion a day. Now in 2024 the e-learning industry is averaging $1.2 billion a day in 2024, and it projects to hit $3 billion a day by 2027, guys. There's a lot of money, a lot of crazy money that you can be making part-time in the e-learning industry. And guys, this is what we promote. We promote the Legacy Builder program, and you can start however you want to start. If you don't have 900 to start with the Legacy Builder program, we have the Launchpad, which is $100, and we have the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, which is $300, and we have the Digital Mastery, which is $600. And we have the Legacy Builder program that is $900. So you can start however you want to start. Let's say you just want to taste, you just want to try it out and see how it works for you, and you can start with the 100 program. And if you want to go a little bit further, you can start with the 300 or 600 or 900. It all depends to you. But once you get the 900, guys, you're promoting you have 4 different income streams. So you're promoting all 4 of them. And if you have the Launchpad, you only have 1 income stream. And if you have the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, you have 2 income streams. The Digital Mastery, you have 3. In the Legacy Builder, you have 4 income streams. So imagine you waking up to $100, $300, $600, and $900 a day. That will be lovely. And this is how we get discovered, guys. You can build a faceless brand, and also we use copy and pasting free ads, and also we use social media to get our business discovered. So that's how we get discovered. And guys, there is 5 billion people just in social media alone, and all you need is 20 people to discover you to make $900 a day. And you will never have to bother your friends and family to buy from you, because social media is your playground. With your 6-figure blueprint, you attract customers to you from social media, so you won't have to go buy the friends and family to buy from you. And as I mentioned earlier, we use classified ads to post ads daily so we can have our business discovered. You use social media, you use classified ads, and you post daily so you can get your business discovered and send people to your automation. You have this page. When people go to your automation, they put their emails in here, and then they're gonna come get a thank you video, and then they're gonna go next to another video that will explain the blueprint and how we do what we do and how we do it. And then next thing, they're gonna go to purchase, and that's how you make your $900 daily. There's a lot of money to be making online, guys. There's a lot of crazy money that you can be making part-time, and there's a tons of people. In our mentor just hit over $2 million in less than 2 years. $2 million in less than 2 years, guys. There's a ton of money that is out there to be making. So why not you? So this is how we get our business discovered. People go here and then put their email, and then they get into your automation. So even when you are at work and you are out and about with your family, your automation always working for you. So all you need, the average you need is 20 people to go into your automation, and out of 20, you get 1 of them to buy from you. And so you have the best and amazing holiday, Christmas, with your family. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Let me go ahead and stop sharing. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. This is how we can make some crazy money for the holiday. So I'm going to invite you guys to please click the link under this video. Click the link under this video, and I will send you more info to learn more about this amazing blueprint, what's something that you can start part-time and make some crazy money. Uh, Even while you're still working your regular job, you can do it on the side, you can do it part-time, and that will eventually become your full-time gig, guys. You have to diversify your income. You cannot put all your eggs in one basket because you do not know what is going to happen tomorrow. You can have your job today and making a lot of money, and you think people love you and you're gonna be there forever, and something happened tomorrow, something that you've been doing for many years, and they let you go and you ended up with nothing. So start something today, have a backup plan, and you will thank me later and thank yourself later. So guys, I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you click the link under this video for more info.